Thank you for taking the time to view this JMP install video. Feel free to pause at any time if you're following along. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to get started with the installation process for a JMP 12 basic electronic software download order for the Windows OS. This video will focus on JMP 12, but may be used for JMP Pro 12 as well. Additionally, this demonstration will be performed on the Windows 7 operating system. Unless otherwise noted, all instructions may be used for the supported versions of Windows operating systems. To view the list of supported operating systems, please see our system requirements page at jmp.com. When a new version of JMP is released, a JMP software order email is sent to your site's representative. This is an example of what a JMP software order email may look like. Your software order email contains your SAS order number and SAS installation key, which are used to download your software. The email also shows the space required on your operating system to download the software, your technical support site number, the operating system for which the software is intended, and the JMP version you are downloading. I'd like to point out that the software order email shows Microsoft Windows for 64. It may be noted that the JMP 12 installer may be used on either 32-bit or 64-bit operating systems. If you look further down on the software order email, you'll find instructions for downloading and installing your software. Step 1 is downloading the SAS Download Manager. Step 2 is downloading your JMP software using the Download Manager. Step 3 is an optional step for distribution. Step 4 shows the location of the installation files once the software depot has been downloaded. The SAS Download Manager is used to download your software orders from SAS into a software depot. It's important to know that downloading your JMP software is not the same as installing it. To download the SAS Download Manager, click the link shown in Step 1 of the SAS software order email. Select the latest version of the SAS Download Manager. Select the platform that you will execute the SAS Download Manager on and click the corresponding link. You will then be prompted to log into your SAS profile. If you don't already have a profile, you must first create one by clicking Create. You may be prompted for your operating system again. Next, review and accept the terms. Depending on what browser you use, you might have the option to either run or save the file. For this example, I will choose to run the SAS Download Manager. You might see a security warning asking if you want to run this software. You should choose Run to continue. You will see a screen that lets you know that SAS Download Manager is ready to execute. Click Run to launch the SAS Download Manager. Select a language in which to view the SAS Download Manager. For this demonstration, I will accept English and click OK. This brings us to Step 2 in the SAS software order email. Let's pause here and go back to the email for instructions. Please note that if you've used the SAS Download Manager before on this machine, the order number and installation key may already be populated. You need to enter your JMP 12 order number and installation key. Step 2 in the email provides the order number and installation key for JMP 12. Copy and paste these into the SAS Download Manager. After you've entered your JMP 12 order number and installation key, press Next to continue. The next dialog is more of a verification screen. After checking the order number and site name, you may choose to enter notes about your order. Otherwise, we will move along by clicking Next. On the next screen, you are prompted to specify your order options. Choose Include complete order contents, then click Next. You will then be prompted to specify a depot directory. By default, The directory name is SAS Software Depot. If you prefer, you can specify an alternate name or location for the SAS Software Depot. If the directory is not yet created, the SAS Software Download Manager will create it for you. I would like to take a moment to review best practices for SAS software depots. The SAS download site will limit the number of downloads that may be performed per order. If you need to distribute the software image internally, download it to a networked location that is available to all systems where the software needs to be installed. You may also copy the depot to media such as a DVD or USB drive. Next, you will be prompted to do a final review and confirm the download. You have the option to print this information if you like. The download time will vary depending on your network connection. Click Download to confirm. After the download has completed, click Next. Review the information on the next two screens and click Finish. Lastly, I'd like to take a moment to explore two important folders for JMP installation with the Software Depot: the JMP folder and the SID files folder. The SID files folder contains the license files for each type of JMP product that you have downloaded. There are separate license files for each operating system and for each major release. The naming convention of the license file shows both the version and the operating system. When installing JMP directly from the SAS Software Depot, the appropriate license file from this directory will be applied as long as the original depot structure is maintained. Looking back at step 4 of the software order email, you'll find the default location for your JMP installation files. Look for the appropriate product and operating systems to find the location of these files. For this example, I'm installing JMP Pro on Windows 7, so I'll navigate to the appropriate directory. To begin the JMP installation, run setup.exe. We recommend right-clicking the setup icon and choosing Run as Administrator. For more information on the best practices when installing JMP 12 annually licensed software, please visit the link shown here. I hope you have a better understanding of how to install JMP software on the Windows operating system. Thanks for watching and enjoy using JMP.